Welcome back to Debated Stocks, the channel where we unpack the companies everyone is fighting about. And today, we're diving into a stock that truly embodies the cutting edge of speculation. Oklo, trading under the ticker Oklo. This isn't your grandma's nuclear power. Oklo is promising to revolutionize energy with advanced fission microreactors. But here's the kicker, it's backed by none other than OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, who's not just an investor, but a co-founder and former chairman. The company just went public through a SPAC merger, injecting it with cash, but also exposing it to the harsh realities of the public market. Is Oklo the next energy titan poised to power our AI future? Or is it an incredibly speculative bet riding on the coattails of Sam Altman's fame? Let's break down the bull and bear cases. For the bears, Oklo is less of an energy company and more of a science project with a premature public listing. And they have some very compelling points. First, let's talk about revenue, or rather, the lack thereof. As of its public debut, Oklo has virtually zero commercial revenue. This isn't a company selling products today. It's a company selling a vision for tomorrow, potentially many tomorrows from now. They are currently burning through cash at a rapid rate, financing massive research, development, and regulatory processes. This makes traditional valuation metrics almost impossible to apply, leaving investors to base decisions purely on future speculation. Second, the regulatory gauntlet. Nuclear power is one of the most heavily regulated industries on the planet for good reason. Oklo's flagship Aurora plant has been under a licensing process with the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission (NRC) for years. While they have made progress, including submitting an updated combined license application in early 2024, the path to commercial operation is still fraught with potential delays and unexpected hurdles. Any setback here could push back their timeline by years, further draining their limited cash resources. Third, competition and scalability. While Oklo touts its advanced fission technology, they are not alone in the small modular reactor SMR space. Competitors like NuScale Power, TerraPower, backed by Bill Gates, and others are also vying for market dominance. And while microreactors are an exciting concept, scaling production and deployment to a level that justifies a multi-billion-dollar valuation is an enormous challenge. Each unit needs to be built, licensed, and deployed, a slow and capital-intensive process. Finally, the Sam Altman factor. While his involvement brings significant attention and credibility, bears might argue it also brings a degree of undue hype. Is the stock's valuation a reflection of Oklo's inherent value? Or is it inflated by the excitement surrounding one of tech's biggest names? If Altman's focus shifts, or if Oklo faces significant technical setbacks, that celebrity endorsement could quickly become a liability, leading to a swift reevaluation by the market. Now let's turn to the bulls. For them, Oklo isn't just about current financials. It's about pioneering the future of energy. And the bear case is looking at a revolutionary company through an outdated lens. First, the game-changing technology. Oklo isn't just building bigger nuclear plants. They're developing advanced fission microreactors that are fundamentally different. Their Aurora plant, for example, is designed to be highly automated, passively safe, and capable of operating for years without refueling. These aren't just scaled-down versions of traditional reactors. They use high-assay, low-enriched uranium, HALEU fuel, and boast incredibly high efficiency. This technology offers a solution to the baseload power problem, providing continuous carbon-free energy where traditional renewables cannot. Second, the strategic market opportunity. The demand for reliable, decentralized, clean energy is exploding. Think AI data centers requiring immense, always-on power. Think remote industrial sites, military bases, or disaster relief zones, where grid power is unreliable or non-existent. Oklo's microreactors are designed to fit precisely into these high-value niches. The market isn't just about replacing existing coal plants. It's about enabling entirely new industries and infrastructures. Oklo already has a 20-year power purchase agreement with a major U.S. government customer, demonstrating real-world demand. Third, Sam Altman's backing and strategic partnerships. His involvement isn't just hype. It provides crucial credibility, access to capital, and a long-term vision. Altman has been vocal about the need for abundant, cheap energy to power future AI advancements, and Oklo is a direct play on that thesis. Furthermore, Oklo has a strong partnership with the Department of Energy (DOE), which includes a 20-year site use agreement at Idaho National Laboratory. This isn't just a startup, it's a company with significant government support and a clear path through the regulatory maze, including a 20-year operating license for their Aurora Powerhouse. Finally, the environmental imperative. The world desperately needs carbon-free, reliable energy. Oklo's technology can help meet climate goals without the intermittency of solar or wind. They are part of the solution to global energy security and decarbonization. Early mover advantage in such a critical industry could lead to exponential growth once commercial deployment begins. So, is Oklo a pipe dream or a pioneer? This is the definition of a high-risk, high-reward investment. The bears see the current financial struggles and immense regulatory hurdles. They see a company that needs billions, and years before it generates substantial revenue. The bulls, however, see a revolutionary technology, addressing an exploding market need, backed by visionary leaders and government support. They believe the upfront investment and long lead times are simply the cost of building the future of energy. The question for investors is how much are you willing to pay today for a potentially massive but distant future payoff? Oklo is not for the faint of heart or those seeking immediate returns. It's a long-term bet on breakthrough technology and the future of energy. Only time will tell if Sam Altman's nuclear gamble pays off. What do you think? Is Oklo a buy, sell, or hold? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this deep dive into Oklo's bull and bear case insightful, hit that like button, share this video, and make sure to subscribe to Debated Stocks for more analyses of the market's most controversial companies. Thanks for watching.